Of course, 331-105. It is the Thursday session. It's pitch black. We're here from pitch black to pitch black. We're here for 1.5 hours till 6:30. Off goes 16:54. 331-108. Nice tone. While the passengers are getting sardines on the leave a like or anything about one. Drop a comment of good stuff. Know it by now, don't you? That is just the perfect start. Enjoy the video. Okay, Northern still failed to get a train on time. 3 minutes late and comes to 16:58 to Manchester Road. (769-442) brings us into Manchester Road. This train only has 3 stops left on its journey. So off goes 769-442 to Manchester Road. Next up, this one is Salford Crescent, followed by Deansgate and Manchester Road. Is this going to be the first ignorant driver that he did? Looking like it. Does he give me the weird look? I'm not going to even look because I'm sick of the weird looks by now. Because I've got some drivers like that CAF driver who gave me the utmost respect, and then I've got this guy who thinks he can just drive off without even waving. Crazy how some drivers are. You get 2 Northern drivers with opposite behaviours. Clitheroe service next. Nova's 8 minutes late. In comes the Clitheroe service. This has made up time. It's funny how this makes up 2 minutes, but a CAF can't. 150s are not getting the standards at the moment, but it seems that they are. 5120 on the front with the 156 on the rear, 156. 408. With the nice 4 car, the 5 o'clock 4 car. So I'm filming a Clitheroe train and the West Midlands Railway 323 pulls in. I'm filming the Clitheroe train and casually a 323 pops out of nowhere. Oh, driver's changing. I'm not going to make it. I'll film the Clitheroe, I'll film it from this side. Yeah, it's already going. I'm not going to make it in time. You can see the driver in there. But what I do need to do right now is switch at the best possible Clitheroe. Right, we're asking for noise. Not noise from the driver, noise from the front of the train, essentially. Off goes 151-20 Clitheroe. Second in the drive for today, this is rocking it up now. We are just wrapping it up now. Weldon Northern. I'm still gonna run for the 323 by the way. It's not one. In comes the Nova. This is set down only. Special train. Funny how now they put special train. Normally would say Manchester train. But yeah, just make my way to the end. Let's catch this mega beat that you're about to witness. Get your brews ready, people. Off goes the Nova, or the special train, whatever you want to call it. He's got his full lights on there. Never normally have the middle lights on. I thought that was a beat. Nah, he wants to be rude. 397005, I know that because it doesn't have anything on it. I made a mistake of saying 007 last time. I ain't making a mistake this time. This is surely 005. Yeah, 005. Was not making the mistake 2 times in a row. 397005, the special train to Manchester. Off goes the 150 to Rochdale. Yeah, that CAF driver. 4 car, so we do get double 150. Finesse Service has not come. It's half an hour delayed, Finesse Service. 150, 123 on the rear. Next stop, Salford Crescent. As you can see, they have diverted the Finesse Service to platform 5. That is a whole half an hour late. Yeah, 17:21 delayed, should be coming in a couple of minutes. Right, off course 331010 to Manchester Airport. Anyways, it's that first CAF. Not really much. No driver was waved or beat. That CAF driver waved and gave me 6 tones. Since then, we're not had anything. We are going to see that CAF driver again. 17:53. Or maybe 18:22. I doubt I might just miss that. Depends. Income 17:36 Manchester Airport, 195129 on this. Go a little bit, you went into parts. Of course, 17:36 to Manchester Airport. Will this CAF be the next beat? Yeah, wave. Wave from 195129, I'll take it. Right, Southport train off Jones over there. Blackburn service next. Here comes the Blackburn service. 3 minutes late, 17:35. 2 car, 150. On 154 in the front. Bet you on that underpass. If I get to the front in time. Oh, of course, service to Blackburn. Oh, we're gonna get a beep. Only had 1 beep, but we have had 2 whips. 150 on 2 front. Nice way for the drive, that's number 3. 3 with the waves, 1 with the beep. We'll take it. Right, Nova's coming through at a very slow pace. So it's 12 minutes late, that's why the timing's a bit unusual. This is 15 minutes late. This is not the Bowling Furnace service, I don't really hope so. That you've got a 5 car Nova to Bowling Furnace, that is not. Been given the single yellow row, hence why it's the Nova on this side is cancelled and the 1818 is cancelled. So after the Clitheroe service on this side, that is going to be the end of the video. In comes the car. 17:54, the 54 and 58 in Clitheroe service are all running to schedule. Parts. Yeah, 3 more services left. Right,
we are sorry to announce that the 1807 Transpennine Express service from Glasgow Central has been cancelled.
331031. 1 hour later, same train, nothing. Definitely not going to have the 1 hour later repeat. That is like the fastest it gets when they go out. They obviously know to give us a 156 for the final. Manchester Oxford Road train video. Mate, guaranteed 156. 156, 417 on this. This isn't the final catch, got the Clitheroe service. If this doesn't beep, we've got one last emergency chance. We've already had a beep, but like to get a final one. This is going to be our best chance, I'd say. From the 156, but it obviously gave me a front row. Oh, I forgot that was 4 cars. I thought that was a 2-car train then. I was almost just thinking that was 2 car and that